Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So, if you've been following along, you know I just moved into my first apartment. It's been an adventure to say the least. I got the big stuff sorted out first: a mattress, a desk, a chair, the basics. But then reality hit. I realized I had absolutely nothing to cook with or eat on. My kitchen was totally empty. A little fun fact about me: I live in Mexico, and I actually don't know how to drive. The public transportation here is amazing, so I've never really needed to. But this also means that when I go grocery shopping, I'm on foot, and I can only carry what fits in my one trusty tote bag. So, I had to be super strategic. My first mission was to hit up the local grocery store, Bodega Aurrera, to get the absolute essentials for my kitchen. I started with the basics: 2 bowls, because you gotta have something to eat out of, right? And a pan. I made sure to get one that is both wide and deep so I can use it for everything: frying, boiling, you name it. Then, the not-so-glamorous but totally necessary stuff. I grabbed some dish soap and a sponge, because a clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. I also picked up a potato peeler and a good knife. You wouldn't believe how many things you can't do without a decent knife. And of course, a broom and a dustpan. It's one of those things you completely forget about until you spill something, and then you're desperate. Now, here's a little peek into my daily routine. I drink kefir every single day. It's a fermented milk drink, super good for you. To make it, I need a strainer, so that was a non-negotiable item on my list. It's funny how these little personal habits dictate what you consider an essential. My shopping trip didn't just stop at kitchen stuff. There were so many other little things I needed for the apartment to feel like a home. I picked up some hangers for my closet, a new toothbrush, toothpaste, and hand soap. And let's not forget the most crucial item of all: toilet paper. I also got some laundry detergent because, well, clothes don't wash themselves. One of my biggest priorities was getting a blender. I love making smoothies, and it's a huge part of my daily routine. My go-to recipe is super simple: kefir, a splash of milk, a banana, and a little bit of honey. It's delicious, healthy, and a great way to start the day. So, the blender was definitely a key purchase for my new lifestyle. This whole process of setting up my first apartment has been a huge learning experience. It is funny how you focus on furniture but forget about the tiny things that make a house functional. I am learning to prioritize and figure out what is truly essential when you have to carry everything yourself. I'm curious, what's one thing you completely forgot to buy when you first moved out? Or what are your absolute must-have grocery items? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to read your stories and get some ideas. This is just the beginning of my journey setting up my home, so there will be plenty more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching and for coming along on this ride with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe Clear Voice English for more content about living alone for the first time. See you in the next one. Bye.